exercise 2, and this is going to sync the fingers as well as keeping the pick in contact with the string and making sure that they marry up, they are synchronized constantly. That's what you're after. So again, I'm still at 130 here, which is a nice comfortable starting point for me. Here we go. Okay. Exercise 2, 130 beats a minute. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to, I will show you on the tab and the full video. If you're watching this one, you're all right. If you're watching the shorts, then you need to click the description below to watch the full video of this, where I'll show you how to apply this up and down the fretboard in certain positions, which makes it nice and controlled using variations on different fingers.